Do you want a smaller 36-foot toy hauler with all the HD capacities? This one here is built to haul a Jeep. Starting up here in this front bedroom, we have a walk-around queen bed, an added linen closet, lots of storage underneath this bed. We have a full-size bathroom here with our deluxe shower, a Dometic elongated toilet, and slider doors for both bathroom and bedroom to save space. Coming down here into the kitchen, you're going to notice that we have flip-up counters on each end here, giving you more counter space when needed and not sacrificing any cargo. We've got a 3-burner cooktop with oven here below, a vented hood range and a microwave here above, and full-size overhead cabinets stretching to the ceiling, a single basin undermount sink with a pull-down wand, radio, battery tank monitor, and lots of storage in this base cabinet. We've got an added pantry here on the passenger side wall and a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge freezer. Down below here we have an added winch to help pull in the Jeep in case we need it. We have raised overhead cabinets on each side, bigger bay windows here on this passenger side with some Euro recliners. A 30-inch entry door here added to the driver's side to help you get out of the Jeep when you load it. The Jeep needs 7 feet of clearance and we've got 7 foot 2 inches back here. These opposing sofas can make a queen bed and can fold into opposing sofas here so that you can sit and eat your meals or play some cards on a rainy day. The Jeep is 16 feet long. We have 17 feet of unrestricted cargo back here. Can't forget the 50-inch that folds down from the ceiling. So this 4-door Jeep here weighs around 5,000 pounds. We upgraded every one of our HD units with a 5,000-pound ramp door weight capacity. This 36-footer does have triple 8,000-pound axles here, so it can have a gross vehicle weight rating of about 24,000 pounds. Dry weight was only 12, so you can load another 12,000 pounds into this trailer safely. Fits like a glove.
Nice job.
Here's a front view of the Jeep with it strapped down, ready to travel. Lots of room around this. If you plan on hauling a Jeep, you want to make sure that you have a proper tow vehicle. This one here will do the job. These happy customers are on their way back to Cody, Wyoming. Thanks for watching, guys. Contact us anytime with questions, and have a great day.